this is going to be part 2 of Mole Mash because I can't upload one whole video. So where we left off is we were entering in the mole width. So if I click on mole over here on this side, I'm going to scroll down to where it says mole width. Right here, I'm going to pull this block out. I need a copy of it, so I right click and I'm going to duplicate. I click both into the empty spaces here. But I need to go ahead and I need to change this width and press the down arrow, and I'm going to click on height. So it's say width and height. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead to variables. And I'm going to pull out this block that says initialize global name. I'm going to delete name. I'm going to change it to score. Next I click on math. I'm going to drag out this 0 and plug it in. Next thing I need to go ahead and do is I need to click on the procedures. I'm going to pull out this one. I'm going to delete procedure. And I'm going to change it to update score, no spaces. The next thing I want to do is I'm going to go down here to where it says score label. And I'm going to find the block that says set score label text. Right here, set score label text 2. Plug that in. Go ahead and click on text. Scroll until you find this piece that says join. Drop that in. Go back to text and pull out this blank one. Plug it in the top and type in score. On the app, this will update the score. The next thing you're going to go ahead and do is click on variables, pull out get, plug it in. I need to click on the arrow and click on global score. The next thing I need to do is I need to click on clock. I'm going to pull out this button that says when clock 1 timer. The next thing I need to do is the procedures drawer. Pull out this block that says call move mole. The next thing I need to go ahead and do is click on this reset button. I'm going to click on when reset button dot click. Now go back to the variables drawer and pull out this set button and drop it in. Click on the down arrow and click on global score. I'm going to go back to math, pull out the 0, plug it in. The next thing I need to do is go back to the procedures drawer and pull out this call update score, and I'm going to set it right underneath here. Finally, we're on our last part of the blocks. I'm going to go and click on mole over here on the right side. On the left side. Click on when mole touched right here. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the variables and click on set, plug it in, click on the down arrow and choose global score. I need to go to the math drawer and get an addition piece that looks like this, and I'm going to plug it in. I need to go back to the variables, click on the get, plug it in, click on the arrow, choose global score. Back to math, plug in the 0, but delete 0 and change it to 1. The next thing you need to do is you need to click on this button down here that says noise. Go ahead and pull out this block that says call noise.vibrate. The next thing you're going to go ahead and do, back to math, plug in the 0, but I want it to be, go back to math, get the 0, but I don't want it to say 0, I want to say 100. 2 more things. I need to go back to the procedures drawer, grab this block, plug it in, and one more, call move mole. And that is the end of this app. So what you're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and connect a tablet or a phone and check it to see if it works.